First thing you really need to take into consideration when you want to get qualified for the Hamster Kombat Airdrop on the 26th of this September is to make sure you are either on the Grandmaster level or you are on the Lord level, or even if you can, you should be on the Creator level. So with these 3 levels, you are guaranteed with a huge airdrop. And then also the second factor over here is to at least buy one skin. Even though it is much expensive, but at least you should try and then buy one skin, because nobody knows whether it will later be considered as an NFT in the future or something else. So you should at least try and buy one skin. As you can see over, I am having the fighting skin over here, so you should also try and then get one skin. And then getting to the third one is your profit per hour. You need to make sure your profit per hour is above 1 million plus. Even if you can, it should be 5 million or even more than that, because after the airdrop or the token distribution, they will use the profit per hour as a hash rate for crypto money that will mine the crypto for you automatically. No need for you to be coming back to the app each and every 3 hours. And then also focusing on your coin balance over here. Make sure your coin balance is high as possible. And also there's one mistake people have been making. Some people will be in the, okay, let's say for example, you are in the Grandmaster level, and before you could enter the Grandmaster level, you need a minimum of I think is in 1 million, 100 million or something, a certain million coins to be able to enter the Grandmaster level. But some people make the mistake of, after entering the level, then they use up all their coins. They'll be using up all their coins to upgrade the profit per hour, so that they will have a huge airdrop. Since Hamster Kombat said the airdrop will be based on the profit per hour, which is not really that much true, because they'll be using both of them. So you need to make sure when you're in the Grandmaster level, your coin balance matches with the Grandmaster level coin. And also the next one is your keys, which is really important. Now they are now considering this one so much. So you need to make sure you are having at least 10 keys. You are having at least 10 keys and above. You can see why I'm having 25 keys, but if you can, you should get as much as possible. Even 100 or above, you should get as much as possible. And if you could realize that playing the Hamster Kombat games is really annoying with those ads, so I've made a video recently about how to get this kind of keys for free without even watching or playing any games. So you should go to my channel and then watch the video on how to get these Hamster Kombat keys for free. And also moving on to cars. So if you move to the mine section over here and then go to the special part, you see that over here there are certain cars that you need to upgrade or buy, and some of these cars will also be considered as NFT after the airdrop has ended. So you need to make sure you have match cars as much as possible. You know, don't even need to miss any opportunity of these cars. You need to have them plenty as much as possible. So every day you need to be coming to this app and then be going to the new car session over here, and then anytime a new card is brought up, you'll be able to see it over here and then buy it to get access to it. Every time you have to be coming over here. And then also the next one is to connect your wallet. So when you go to the airdrop session over here, you could see that the airdrop is on the 26th of this 2024, and then these are some of the points that you need to meet before you could be able to get the massive airdrop. And as I've mentioned earlier, some of them are even here. So if you move to the withdrawal part over here, You could see that over here they are asking us to connect your Tone wallet. So make sure you connect your Tone wallet, or even if you have an OKX wallet, you can connect your OKX wallet and then be able to get your withdrawal easy peasy. And also, after connecting your Tone wallet, you should make sure you are having at least 1 Tone in your wallet to be able to pay for the gas fee. Or if the airdrop gets listed on sports trading on exchanges, there's no need for gas fee or anything. You just have to sell your token to USDT or any coin at all you like. And now moving to the last one, which is connecting your exchanges like OKX, which is already over here, and then more might be coming up, but I recommend you should connect Binance, because in such airdrops like this, sometimes Binance support them and then deliver some bonuses to some people or some accounts or to everyone, like how they've done it to dogs by crediting free dogs. Some receive 10,000, 20,000 and more. So you should make sure you follow all these criteria to be able to get the maximum airdrop as possible. So with all these things set and ready, I guarantee you'll be part of the airdrop. Also, make sure to check the video I made on getting keys in Hamster Kombat without playing the games. And please don't forget to like the video, comment down anything interesting, and then also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until then, stay safe. See you on my next video. Bye.